All right, Chris, tell me about this friggin' tire, dude.
This Duro tire. This is the Eric Sanchez hooked me up with this tire, but it's the Crux. It's a 3.25 inch tire, so 3 inches, 0.25. Your average tire is probably around 2.5 to 2.8.
Is this the kitty litter killer?
This is the kitty litter killer.
Talk to someone else.
So we're about to hit Blue Steel. A couple nice little features on there, like some sable tops. Guys got a nice little bridge wood wall ride.
It's got the wettest little dirt out here, right?
Yeah, man, it's dry, loose, disgusting. Lips are chapped.
You gonna slap some dirt?
Slapping the dirt.
Oh, there's the. Every day I'm supplementing. I don't know what he says. Here we go, here we go. Thank you. Got the rental ease. Mr. Dusty. You can always count on these SoCal boys to do something fun.
Well, I'm out here at Big Bear and I'm riding with Chris, and he's showing me how to ride this kitty litter. I've been out here a few times. I'd even thought about coming to the race this year, but that didn't happen. So yeah, this stuff's it's like a kitty litter. The place down at the bottom of the hill, Snow Valley, is even more like kitty litter to me, but it's a really kind of a weird sort of dirt. It actually has some level of traction, but it can be kind of thick like sand, but doesn't ride like our Florida sand. So caught a couple laps with Chris, still kind of getting over my hand injury on a clanky rental bike. It wasn't too bad, I guess, but yeah, we're just chilling, watching Chris slap kitty litter all over the place. He's so fast on this stuff. Good catching up with him. I'll be honest with you, I don't really know if I will ever come and race here. It looks pretty difficult. I did go check out the racetrack and some of the sections of the track. I mean, I can only imagine that it must have been pretty hard at speed to try to be consistent. But I really like being up high. I have such a great view of the lake, and the temperature was just perfect. A little dry, a little dusty, but yeah, good times at Big Bear. There was nobody here at the park, so we just kind of did lap after lap.
Oh, this kitty litter
wasn't trying to push it, still kind of building up. This is I guess probably about my third day on the downhill bike since March, and starting to feel a little better. Starting to feel pretty good. Kind of a funny story. I think it was the last time I came here. Brought Joe, and I had rented a bike, and the guy had asked me if I wanted elbow pads, and I was like, nah, I don't need elbow pads. I'm just going to be chilling. And this kitty litter bit me pretty hard, and I cut my elbow up pretty hard. So yeah, I learned my lesson. And then, well, I guess I didn't learn my lesson. So when I got the rental bike, they asked me if I wanted any additional pads, and I said, well, do you have elbow pads? And this time they only had like the full jacket deal, and I was like, no, I don't want to really wear that. So I kind of had it in the back of my mind that I did not want to slide out and cut my elbows out. So everything was fine, just some chill laps. Hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, Chris. It was a good ride with you, buddy.
Phew. GoPro, stop recording.
Party rockers in the house tonight. Everybody gonna have a good time.
It's dry AF out here. We got our throats all clogged up, but the stoke is high.
Smoke.
Smoke, stoke. Yeah. Woo!
A little garnish.